If you are not seeing beta updates option within settings, general software update page on your iPhone or iPad, then you can try these troubleshooting steps that will help you to fix it in the next 3 to 4 minutes. You may try the steps one by one because for some users the first step will work, and for some users the third or fourth step will help to fix the problem. When you are in the software update settings page, it may take like few seconds to couple of minutes time for some users based on the network conditions and Apple server response time. They will see the beta updates below that automatic updates section. Previously, like iOS 16 and earlier times, we were visiting the beta.apple.com in Safari browser in order to enroll our device to download the public beta profile, and then we need to visit the software update setting page to install it on our device. Make sure that your iPhone is compatible with the latest beta profile. This is a very basic check you need to do, and then you can try the upcoming troubleshooting steps. So within the software update settings page, as I said, after a few seconds of refresh, it will show the beta updates option. And for developer beta, initially anyone can try it, install it. There is no need for $99 developer account, the Apple developer account, in order to select and install it on your device. Either it is iPhone or iPad, anyone were able to install it. But Apple may restrict this setting, only to developer registered devices, the devices serial numbers that are registered on the developer portal. In such cases, you will not see the developer beta option at all. Only when the public beta comes out, in case like iOS 26, the developer beta is right now available. The public beta is expected to be around mid of July, to be available for all volunteers. So as a first troubleshooting step, you need to restart your iPhone by pressing the volume up, volume down, then press and hold the side button on the right side for a few seconds to see the slide to power off. In such case, it will normally fix it if it is any minor software related bug. And as a second troubleshooting step, make sure to check settings, general, VPN and device management at the last section to make sure that there are no profiles installed on your device. Because if you have an enterprise or organization provided device, iPhone or iPad, they may have restricted the beta updates, or whatever the settings that you see on your iPhone and iPad will be enabled from the IT team of your organization or enterprise. So if any MDM profile installed within that section, then the possibility of installing the beta is 0. And then the next troubleshooting step, if the MDM profile is not installed, everything is okay, you need to perform the all settings reset once. Navigate inside the settings, general, then scroll to the last, tap on transfer or reset, and here you need to select reset all settings. This will reset all the system related settings changes that are affecting the beta profile or any settings that is not being visible to you. If there is any bug possibility, then this all settings reset will help to fix the issue. Make sure to connect it to your Wi-Fi network, a stable Wi-Fi. The hotspot will not be suitable and work for the software update feature. So you need to connect to an actual Wi-Fi router, Wi-Fi connection, and then you can check the same software update page after the couple of troubleshooting steps that I have just suggested. If none of the steps have worked in your case, then you need to take a backup of your iPhone and perform a full iOS restore, because the issue seems to be deeper, and in such case, even if you're running the latest iOS version, you will not see the beta updates at all, the option below that automatic updates at all. So in such case, you need to completely format and reinstall the iOS operating system, and that will help to fix the problem of beta updates not showing on iPhone and iPad. I hope this video tutorial helped you to fix the issue. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.